Last month I bought a UPS from Amazon. This is APC UPS BE700Y. This UPS will cost you around 5,500 rupees, and the main attraction of this UPS is this come with an auto shutdown software. When power goes off, you can uh, automatically shut down. Your PC will automatically shut down using the APC software. The software name is PowerShoot. It will say that it will run up to 60 minutes, and the rated capacity is around 390 to 420 watts. This is a 700 VA UPS. You can connect up to 390 to 420 watts worth of equipments. That is an average gaming PC or 3 to 4 laptops at the same time. This is the cable come with the box. It will bring back the good old memories of landline. Uh, there is a cable you need to connect to the UPS, and the other end USB will connect to your computer. That is how it communicates. So you need to arrange a space near your computer for this UPS. This is the user manual, and these are the plugs on the UPS. There is a surge protection plug that will not backed up by battery. Other three plugs are backed by the battery, so uh, that can be used for most important equipments like router or your computer, etc. For less sensitive equipments, you can use that power surge port if you like. This is how it looks. This video is very long. I am very lazy to cut this down or chop this down, so skip if you need. This is that landline like cable going to the UPS like this. You need to press a little bit hard to make it go inside, and the other end you need to connect to your desktop or whatever the equipment you need to get notified. I'm currently connecting this to an LG gram. You are getting a notification like we are setting up this device, and Windows giving us a notification like that. It's basic setup. I don't think Windows have an interface to control this UPS. I'm not going to dig that, but I'm going to download that software mentioned in the user manual. That software name is PowerShoot. You can Google download APC PowerShoot Personal Edition. It's a version 3.1. I'm downloading that software. It's around 35.7 megabyte. It's a native Windows application. It will not eat your battery backup. Oh, sorry, I'm installing this on a laptop for demonstration purpose only. I am going to build a desktop. That is why I bought this UPS. I have inverter in my home, but it is lately becomes little bit unreliable. It's not totally not dead or something like that. It is the increased the latency to switch to UPS and go back to power. So sometimes, it's not always, but sometimes my monitor is getting turned off. So I'm worried maybe when I go to a desktop, it will cause problems. Back in 2004 2003, at that time only I used desktops. The later 2006-7 I moved to laptop. I used to travel a lot when I was studying in college, so I didn't get enough time to I play with a desktop. So now I think I need a desktop, and I'm going to assemble a desktop myself and give it a shot. That's why I bought this UPS. So even though I have an inverter, it is sometimes maybe it will cause a auto shutdown. So I'm worried about my data. So for a double layer protection, I got this UPS. Here you can see all the status, load, etc. There is an option for self test that will test the UPS itself, and if there is a problem you can return it. I bought from Amazon. There is a 14-day of return period, so use it extensively and find out if there is any problem. You should return it before that, otherwise you need to find the service center location, and it's more pain. So return it as soon as possible if you found a problem here, but thankfully I didn't find any problem here. And there is other options, notification options, runtime, etc. The most the two options in runtime is preserve battery power, keep my computer as long as possible. These are the two options here. Preserve battery power means the computer will shut down within 1 or 2 minutes. You can set that. When power goes off, you can the computer will shut down within 1 or 2 minutes, so that the UPS will run for a long time. If you connected a router, you can still access internet for up to 1 hour, maybe 1 or 1.5 hour. The will work. The router will use less than 15 watts, so a router will work for around 1 or 2 hours. So your PC will go offline and you can continue using the router. That is preserve battery power. Yeah, that is it. Keep my computer running as long as possible. That means the last 5 minutes or 10 minutes the UPS exhausted 80% or 90% of the power, it will send an instruction to shut down this computer. So as you can see, now we can see that I manually turned off the power to the UPS and it sent a notification. The time to shut down is less than 1 minute and the power source is battery. It will show an option to interact with. It is going to hibernate. It's better than normal shutdown because it will save all your data in the ROM, the current working state, to the hard disk and go to hibernate. Here you can click hibernate now or cancel hibernation. Later when power come back, you can continue your work. That is the beauty of hibernation. So it's hibernated, and the LED in the UPS will turn to yellow. Normally if there is power, it will be green. The best option in this UPS or the software is you can completely disable that key sound. That is I really like, because I hate that sound. That is I was most afraid of, but thankfully you can completely disable this on this particular UPS model. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.